Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand how to customize the forming tool, specifically Emboss in the SolidWorks. Okay, let's start. File, new, part is the default template. Okay, this one. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background, plain white, and unit system is the millimeter gram second. You can select any other unit system. I am taking top plane. First, I will make a small the profile model as per requirement for the emboss feature. Okay, top plane, this one, and select the circle. I am drawing 3 circle here, 1, 2, and 3, 1. Okay, right click, exit. Dimension. Outer circle, I am giving the dimension 50 mm only. Okay, this one, and this die I am taking 40 mm only, and this die I am taking 25 mm only. 25 mm. Okay, this one. Now I am extruding this one. Extrude boss base. First I am because there are the more than one close boundary, so you go in the selected contour, select this outer circle, but you direction 1 4 mm only, direction 1 4 mm only from the sketch plane, outer circle only. You have to select outer circle. Okay, from here selected contours, this one 4 mm I am taking. Hit the right button again. You go in the boss extrude and select the same sketch. Select same sketch, extrude boss base. Now selected contour, clear this one and select this inner circle. That is the dia of the 40 mm. 40 mm. This circle select here. But you in the direction 1 in this from sketch plane. In the sketch plane, you select this option, surface face plane. And which surface? Select this face, this face, this face. You have to extrude from this surface, not the original plane. 4 mm. Merge right. Okay, this one. This is the. Now same sketch, extrude boss base. This time in the selected contour, delete and select inner circle. This one. Now in the sketch plane, this option select from you select this option, surface face plane, and which surface? This surface. Now this time this surface, and extrusion now this is the 2 mm only. Okay, this one. This I have made this one. Now I will provide the fillet. Actually I am this I am making for the emboss feature. Okay, fillet, constant radius fillet. First I am take this one. This I am taking 1.5 mm fillet only. This one. Hit right button. This one. Now again fillet. This one. This one also 1.5 mm. Okay. Now fillet this one. Inner one. Upper one. I am providing 0.75 only fillet. Okay. This one. Hit right button. Now again fillet. This one. 0.75, this one. This I have made for the emboss feature. Okay. Now in the sheet metal, now I will make the in the sheet metal forming tool. Sheet metal, this is the required shape for the concerned emboss feature. I go in the sheet metal and this in the command menu there is a forming tool here. Forming tools and stopping phase. This is the fixed, this is the resting phase. This is the stopping phase. And phase to remove. This phase, this will be removed. Okay, this phase will be removed. This resting and hit the right button. Then you will see that this bottom is the resting phase. This will be removed and also this will be removed. Okay, this yellow phase, yellow color is the shape, forming shape. Okay, for the required emboss. Now you save it. How you will save it? Save as this one, design library. Actually I have to save this is in the forming tool lab. forming tool. Where is the forming tool? You will see here this forming tool. Save as forming tool. SolidWorks 2023. This is the existing version. And design library. There is a forming tool. This one and embosses. I'm going in the give the name here. You can give any name of this one. Emboss 1. Okay, this one. Now this is the emboss feature. You will see it will come here. Embossing this one. Emboss 1. This emboss will come. Okay, and this one. Now I am creating a part. Now how to use this customize tool? How to customize this one? New part. This one I am making a part here. Top plane, sketch and dry circle here. This one background plain white, unit system millimeter, and die of the circle I am taking 80 mm. Now I am showing how to use this tool, forming tool. This one base sheet metal, base flange, and I am taking the thickness only 1 mm. Okay, this one design library. In the forming tool there is a emboss. This one I have customized this emboss one feature. This one emboss 1. Click this one and drag simply on the face. This one. This drop. Now position it. Position means at what location you want to place it. This one you can flip it from here. You can flip it, but I want this one. This should be down one. You will see this is the upper is the resting face. This one. Now position. Now I have to locate this. Right click, out select or escape key pressable. Okay, normal and select this point. This point shift and this one. Make a relation, constant relation. That is the concentric relation. Now sketch is not fully defined. This is actually, this dot is the actual position. This origin not. So shift this one. Drag it and position it here. This one. And hit the right button here. Hit right button. This is the shape of this one. So this is in this way you can use the emboss feature in the forming tools, and how to customize you can do in this manner. There are the various shapes in the forming tools, lancer, etc. You can design as per your requirement. Okay, I hope you would have liked this video. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.